veal in the egg. Give it a good soaking. Both pieces. Okay, make sure they're well coated in the raw egg because you want the batter to stick to it. Okay, that one is well coated, so we drop it in the batter. Make sure it's well coated in breadcrumbs.
My chef is with the jewelry, with the big bracelet, with the big ring.
Don't worry, it's clean. Okay, that's well coated.
Okay.
I need a plate.
This is the veal with the breadcrumbs. And this is the veal with the egg.
Okay, so that's well coated with the breadcrumbs now. Excuse me. And then the same with the other one. Just make sure you get plenty of breadcrumbs on them.
Plenty.
Plenty, yes. The more breadcrumbs on it, the better. Okay? Because the veal is very tender. You don't want to burn it.
How do you eat the veal, honey? I mean, how do you look after the veal, or what? How?
Veal is a young calf that's fed on milk, and it's very, very tender. Very much better than like steak. Much better. There you are. Now that's well coated in breadcrumbs. Ready for the fire.
Where is the breadcrumbs? I show them. This the Italian style bread. This the one you use, honey pie?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now there's a pan. It's got olive oil, and some butter. The reason you put the butter is because we don't want it to burn. Okay. Okay.
Oil with the butter.
Some olive oil and some butter.
Olive oil.
Make sure you put the crumbs on because it's very nice. Some more crumbs over. Make sure it's got plenty of crumbs on it. And we put more on when we turn it over. Because you want it all to stick to the lettuce. Okay.
This is the veal?
This is the veal. It's cooked. It's delicious now. New potatoes, boiled potatoes, coated in butter. Mixed salad. And the gravy that goes with it. So what I like to do, I like to cover it in nice beef gravy, like so, because it tends to be a little bit dry with the breadcrumbs. And that's it. Cheers, my dear.
Cheers, bon appetit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sorry.